Good morning and welcome to Ryan Finds Food, and today we're on a day trip and we're going to the Pattaya Sanctuary, or the Pattaya Elephant Sanctuary, and we're just waiting for our boat and we're going to make our way over to the Pattaya Elephant Sanctuary, so come with us. So down there, guys, you've got toilets and shower facilities, and then up there is where you start your tour and get your safety brief. A little soy dog there laying in the shade. This is where they live, the guys who work with elephants. So before you start the tour with the elephants, they ask you to make some rice balls, and this has some special herbs in it that helps the elephant's immune system. And once you've done the rice balls, you get to feed it to them. After you've fed them the rice balls, you get given a basket and it's got sugarcane and melon in. And here we are feeding one of the elephants called Frank that we've seen before. And this elephant, if you can see, is very picky. So on the floor there's some sugarcane. So when we were trying to pass the sugarcane, she just kept dropping it on the floor and asking for more melon. And then here you've got Frankie, who I mentioned before. When we were trying to pass him one sugarcane, he weren't having none of it. And he kept asking for more before he put it in his mouth. So just to explain what happens after you've fed the elephants, you go for a little walk into the jungle with them. And at this point, you get to take photos and just get a bit of background on each one, why they're there. And a lot of them have been rescued. And they were used for logging and elephant riding, but now, as you can see, they're living the best life. The gents in the black t-shirts are mahouts, and these guys look after the elephants and kind of control them. They don't use anything to control them other than the fact that these are trained and they're looking after the elephants on a day-to-day basis. And I'll tell you what, those ears look very thin, but they're not. They hurt when they slap you right back at head. So next you go into the pool with the elephants, but before you do that, you give them a quick rinse down and a quick brush down to get all that mud and dirt off them.
ไม่ลงกินก็ไม่ลงใช้ลูกค้า
ไม่ลงไม่ได้
ไม่ว่าน้ำไม่อาบน้ำไม่ค่อยอาบ
หล่อมากเลยแบบนี้
Then it's time to jump in the pool with elephants. Now, not all the elephants can go in the pool with the visitors. Just, for example, Frankie, he's quite boisterous and he's got the tusks. So it's just the older ones who'll go in. And then you just chuck water on them, keep them cool. And again, you just keep brushing them, really. And they absolutely love it. And this elephant that we're with at the moment actually purrs like a cat. So the mahout says that's a good thing.
She healthy. It protects the health. She healthy. Elephant healthy. Good healthy. They have the hair on the body.
So Frankie arrived at the pool and let's see what antics he gets up to. And then after you've had the swim with the elephants, you just go back to the area where you had the safety brief. Here's a bit of information on all the elephants. And then they provide food as well, part of the package. So here's a little look at the food that we had. Spring rolls. Some French fries. Some melon. And I don't think you're going to get a better view while you're having your dinner than watching elephants in the wild. And there is a gift shop, and all proceeds do go back into the sanctuary. So we did get a few bits because we knew it were going back towards the elephants. So we're done at the Pattaya Elephant Sanctuary. There we are. And we've just got a beautiful elephant that's 40-year-old over there. Absolute amazing creatures. Just want to say thanks to everyone here at Pattaya Elephant Sanctuary if they ever see it, this video, because we've had a great time. Especially our tour guide, Am. He were fantastic. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'm sure from what you can see that we enjoyed it. Cheers. Welcome back, and I did forget to mention on my last post, I just wanted to congratulate Adam and Holly on Baby Maeve, and we've got her little t-shirt from the Elephant Pattaya Sanctuary. So congratulations, guys.